Hey guys, welcome back to the Scratch Academy. Hey, and like I said, well today, but there's nothing to it. I will, I'll do the operation. I'll do the variables now. Yeah, I'll do the variables now. I was just checking my things. The operators will be for tomorrow, or depending on how you want to look at it for today. And, and I missed three. I missed three. I missed 2 days of videos. And yeah, the one I just made is for 2 days ago. This one is for yesterday, and the next one will be for today. Okay, so here's how variables work. I can make a variable. I'll call it hello. You can change if all sprites can use it, or if only one, if only this sprite can use it. This comes in here. This is useful for clones, which I said in the last episode. And you can also make it a cloud variable, which you can't make for a spirit only. But it will make it so that everyone can see it. This is useful for lists, which I'll also talk about like today. In this episode, it's in the variables tab, but still, it's a different thing than variable. Or if you want to use it for a variable, the you can use it for like the this person got the most points while playing this game, blah blah blah, or something like that. I don't know. Okay, so I'm making a variable and it's named hello. So how variables work is that how can I give an example? Oh, I know. It's absolutely going crazy. Like, look at that. Like, now it looked like it was going backwards because it was. Okay, so as you can see, variables can get pretty crazy, but most of the time they don't. Oh, and I forgot. Last episode, I didn't make a tip. I didn't give a scratch tip. So, uh, if you press on this tab here, there are tutorials like the Scratch Academy, but the official from Scratch. They give you videos and you can follow the steps. And the tip for this video, if you press this, it will take you to the main page, which will be for a later episode. But everything you need to know is that uh, if you press this, you can make another project. If I did it, I would have the number of projects that there are countries in the world, 197. Wait, with the tips out of the way, let's dive into how variables work. So, a variable is basically a number that you can. It's a number that you can change, and everywhere that the variable is used will also change. Like for example, uh, if I set the if I if I set the x coordinate to the variable or the direction to the variable, and then I change the variable. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. I want to see it. Yay! Oh, it's not moving anymore. Okay, so yeah, you can make it something, and even if you just use the variable in one place, you, then if you name the variable with a useful name, like I should have, uh, then I can point in direction 0, then and then it will uh, let me just will repeat jump height, move one step, and then repeat the jump height again, move the opposite number of steps. So then, okay, I'll change how big the jump height is. 10. Yeah. Uh, so now if I do that, it will only jump 10 steps. Okay, and now the actual blocks. So this is jump height. I already showed it. It's just like its position, y position, or direction, or costume number or costume name, backdrop number, backdrop name, size, or any of the others. You can put it in the circular things. Then there's set, which sets a particular variable to a particular thing. Ta-da! And now if I do that, I'll never see the basket. I'll never see the basketball again. Bye bye. Then there's change jump height, change blah blah blah, which is okay. Imagine the variable is the x position. You can change the x position by a number, just like you can change the variable by a number. Then there's show variable and hide variable. Which hide variable hides it on the stage here, so that you can see it, and show variable shows it. You can do the same with this, like every other variable. Okay, and variables are really important to Scratch. Um, like in the movement episode, I couldn't see. I couldn't think of anything to use for the example because everything I thought of needed either a variable or an operator, or sometimes both. Actually, I think it was either a variable or a variable under operator. Okay, so finally, let's go to lists. You can just delete of that and make a list called countries. For all sprites or for the sprite only again. Hmm. So, countries are basically lists are like a bunch of variables packed together. Like, imagine I want to make a list of all the countries in the world. Also, I'm pretty sure, uh, yeah, this is the only place in this is the only place in all of the tabs where in the same tab there are two different colors. And so the first block is the add thing to blah. So I can add Argentina to countries because Argentina is a country. It will go to the to the next open spot. So if spot one is taken but spot two isn't, then it will go to spot two. Then let's delete now let's delete blah of blah. It will delete the thing that's in the number. Like if number one is Canada, number two is Mexico, and number three is Somaliland. And I wanted to delete number two of countries, then it will only delete Mexico because it's number two. Then it will delete Somaliland. Delete all of countries so that it deletes everything in the list. Insert the blah to blah of countries. Like if there's if there are these things in countries, then I can insert like Marshall Islands at number let's say two or three, and it will push everything down like that. Then there's replace item. So if I don't want Marshall Islands on there for whatever reason, then I can replace it with Solomon Islands.